just see, he like to play. Okay, take a picture now. Look at the camera. More slowly and relaxedly. Just play with him. Yeah. What's that? Relax, sir. Hold like that. Put your hand down, sir.
Oh, can I?
Yeah, can.
Because I thought he was gonna be angry.
You can put here also. Yeah. Put it like this. Put here. Put here. I'm leave it. So, there. Put your hand there. Okay. Relax. We won't buy, sir. Very thin.
Oh, is
only
it?
our mind. Only.
Yeah.
Mr. Bin, go up. Don't worry. Go up. Go kiss him. Yeah. Okay. Come on, kiss him. Yeah. See, he come down already.
Oh.
He like to play. Because
But I love pets also.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I love all
must be
those
gentle.
animals.
See, he's already come down and relaxing.
Yeah.
He's called a golden albino python.
A golden.
Albino.
Okay.
Albino python.
That's nice.
52,000 pounds.
Really?
Okay,
So
man.
what normally they eat or?
Okay, this one all eat like a frozen food. Frozen drumstick, chicken drumstick, frozen, this kind of things. They never take the live one.
Oh.
I do not take live.
Oh, that's
Okay.
cute. Nice. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. So you just stay here.
Yes, sir. Say only here, sir. 30 years already.
How many years?
35 years already. This
So
place.
the
No, this one
no.
is 10 years old.
He's a 10-year-old.
Yeah. We will change now. Every 15 years we will change.
Oh.
Change to Mandai Zoo. Because this one, the pressure very hot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so then after more than 15 years, he will show the temple.
So there's a maximum
So
size.
after
it
13
can-
years, 7 meter.
7 meters. And oh, it's still young. Okay, thank you so
Okay, sir.
much.
Thanks, sir.